And now moving on to the first cellular element of the blood, that is RBC, red blood cells, which is also called as erythrocytes. Okay, so this erythrocytes, it is we will always tell it as a biconcave shape. Okay, or it is also be circular shape. So this is the circular shape. If you do the cross section, you will get this biconcave shape or the spindle shape. So this structural stability, it is maintained by the important protein called as spectrin and ankyrin. So this is the reason why this biconcave shape of RBC is maintained. So this RBC, this is the structure of RBC, and this structure is maintained by the two major proteins called as spectrin and ankyrin. Remember, this is very, very important. The spectrin and ankyrin, which is maintaining the shape of the RBC. Okay, so this shape helps the RBC to squeeze in between the cells. For example, RBC, this is a cell and this is another cell, and you have the cell membrane. The RBC has to penetrate in between the cells. So because of this biconcave shape, it will easily go and come from one side of the membrane to the other side, because the main function of RBCs, what are all the major function of RBCs? RBC is mainly responsible for the transport of respiratory gases. So RBC should have the structural stability to move in between the cells to perform this transport mechanism. And RBC contains hemoglobin. Okay, so this hemoglobin acts as a carrier protein to transfer oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, so this hemoglobin is responsible to transfer oxygen and carbon dioxide. And another thing is, this RBC is responsible for maintaining the buffer. It acts as a buffering mechanism, that is especially the hemoglobin. And this RBC also maintains the viscosity of the blood. For example, if the blood is highly viscous, so this maintains the pH, and it functions for the maintaining the buffering mechanism. Okay, so this is about the structure of the red blood cells.